Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Today's video is a review of ReddBuilder. This is a WordPress plugin that helps you build viral content using Reddit feed to build the content. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at first my bonus page, and then we're going to look at the demo video, and then we will look at the sales page and then the OTOs, and then we'll do a quick walkthrough through the actual software itself, and you can take a look at that. So basically, what is building viral sites? Why would you want to do that? Okay, first off, one of the big things about making money as affiliate marketing is you want to get traffic to a site where you have affiliate links. Okay, that's kind of the key thing. So if you can create content very quickly without actually doing a lot of work, especially if it's sort of pulling in other content, spinning it, making it original, and then putting it on your site, you have links in there. You either have AdSense or you have links to affiliate products. You're able to generate money basically while you're sleeping. So this is why these tools are really, really cool. Also, if you're flipping domains, and if you don't know what flipping domains is, there's going to be a video up here, and you'll be able to see it's a video on a product called PR Rage. Definitely check that out, because you will want to be checking out how to flip domains, and with that tool, you'll see exactly how you're able to make money by flipping domains. So definitely watch that video after this one, after you get the tool here. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's watch the demo for, let me bring the demo up. Oh, number one, click like and click the subscribe button so you get videos when I make them. Okay, so let's watch this video and you can see exactly how it works.
Hi, this is Igor Bourbon, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to build money-making websites with our brand new software, ReddBuilder. Once you're inside your WordPress admin area, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Reddit settings. This is where you'll need to add your account information and keys in order to connect your site to Reddit. Now, in case you've never used Reddit before, anyone can sign up for free, and it's where people from all over the world share interesting content and comment on it. So you'll need to enter your account information here and then click on this link that will open instructions for getting your API keys. It's basically just copying and pasting a couple of fields. I already have them here, so let's keep going. And by the way, everything you need to know about these settings is covered in the training videos here. Okay, so once you've taken care of settings, head over to Manage Campaign and click this big blue button on the top. We're going to set up a new content campaign that will work quietly behind the scenes and automatically add new content posts to your site. Let's give this campaign a name. I'm gonna go with Cool Guides because this is going to be for the education section on our site. People love learning something new or cool, and this type of content gets shared a lot. So let's add a campaign for that. Next we have a Reddit URL, and this is where you paste a link to a Reddit category. They also call it a subreddit. This is going to be a source of our new posts. I spent a few minutes browsing on Reddit and found this subreddit called Cool Guides. So let's use that. Copy the URL and paste it here. Then we need to pick which category on our site these new posts should be added to. I'll stick with education. And of course, you can create more campaigns for any topic or category that you like. And finally, we have post status, and I want my new post to be published right away, so let's leave it as it is. Click Save Campaign and give it a few seconds. And as soon as you do that, the plugin will start pulling all the top content from Cool Guides subreddit and posting them to your site. Let's hit refresh on our demo site and just look at that. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a site with some awesome content with your affiliate links inside. And every time somebody comes to your site, clicks on your affiliate link and buys, you earn commission. In addition to that, you can earn from vendor clicks and any affiliate platform. So that's just a quick demo of how the plugin works. There are some other cool features waiting for you, like ability to translate posts to other languages, use a text spinner. You can use a keyword replacer and link any word or a phrase inside your post to your affiliate links, plus many more money-making features. The special launch discount is ending soon, so go ahead and grab your download and start earning with your own money-making website today.
All right, guys, pretty cool. Now that is an awesome thing. Let's jump over and we'll take a quick look at my bonus page. So here's my bonus page, guys. I've thrown in a bunch of, you can watch the demo again, of course. I've thrown in a bunch of WordPress content, blog secrets, social content, SEO ranking, high conversion formula, and then a bunch of other ones for you guys. So you've got a ton in there. So next we are going to, so you definitely want to pick it up through my link. So next we're going to go over to the sales page. So this is the sales page, guys. Basically, new software builds beginner-friendly, 100% automated, profitable sites with free traffic in 90 seconds filled with trending content. Basically, he showed you in the demo what it does. I really like this, and the price is, I believe it's between 17 or I think it's going up sort of, it'll be 17 bucks if you scroll up the page. Here, I'll show you exactly what to do. I want to get a like for this one, guys. Basically, if you're on the page like this and you go to leave, you're going to get, where's that pop up? You're going to get a discount pop up. So I'll show you here. Come on. Still building the page. There we go. So you get $5 off if you go to scroll your mouse off, and then you can go. If you close this and you want to get it back, then you just have to hit the refresh again. So that's the sales page, guys. You're going to get the whole thing. I think you can put it on maybe 1 or 10 sites. I'm not sure exactly what the front end is. Read the description below. The first, there's a pop-up here, $10 off on the Pro upgrade. For the Pro upgrade, you get limited time only, unlimited sites license. Oops. Come on. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, that is cranking out. Sorry, guys. Let me just pause. There we go. Sorry about the big blast of sound there. Okay, guys. So unlimited sites, commercial pro version. I hate autoplay videos, guys. I don't know why they do it. It's just like we want to watch the video, we'll hit play. So build unlimited sites in addition to the 1 or 10 sites that you have. So I guess you're going to have a choice on the what you grab. Automatically create news from 700 RSS feeds, and also you get more content from YouTube. So that's pretty cool. And this upgraded, guys, is $37, and I believe you get $10 off if you do the scroll off trick. Remember, hit like if you like that. There you go, $10 off. So the next one is the premium upgrade, which is $47 plus $10 off. So this is, you actually get, oh, it's going to do it again. Sorry, guys. This site just keeps refreshing on me. Let me pause this before it gets too loud. All right, guys, here it is. This is the premium. What you get is you get content from 1,000 RS feeds, which is great. Hundreds of new posts, rebrand and resell. So you can actually rebrand and resell ReddBuilder. The individual plugin, 5 additional WordPress themes, affiliate products, and banner ads. So $47 again, you'll get the $10 off if you try to scroll off. This is sell ReddBuilder and keep 100% of the profits. So this is the reseller white label license. So this is you guys are able to actually take this plugin and completely make it your own and sell it as your own plugin, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing. I mean, really, guys, if you just sell it once, one of these, you're going to cover your costs, right? So you sell it once and you're going to just, it's pretty evergreen. Okay, so let's get into the actual office. So this is a campaign listing, guys. This is the campaign that he made. Let's see if we can get access to it. I was looking at trying to get access to this earlier, and it was very slow. So I don't know if there's a lot of people on. This is the demo version of it that we're going through. Let's see. It's not giving me access right now. My internet is very slow when I'm doing a recording. So anyways, you'll be able to go in and check the campaigns. replace a keyword, link, be able to do, these are news campaign listings, schedule posts, and then if you bought the done for you, you'll have a done for you section there for you. So it's pretty basic, guys. Easy to set up, easy WordPress thing to set up. And that is it, guys. So let me jump back on here. That is the ReddBuilder plugin, WordPress plugin. I think it's a pretty solid plugin, guys. I use these types of plugins for tons of my websites to build content. Now, why am I doing it? Well, one, my affiliate sites or my websites are building up SEO. They're building up content, so they're building up more and more people going. And all of my sites have affiliate links on it. They also have AdSense on it. So I'm generating AdSense content, and I'm generating affiliate links, and I'm also building my email list because I've got a pop-up for that stuff. If you want to learn how to do that, guys, just message me and I can show you exactly how we do that. Now, the other side of it is, as I'm building up these domains, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to possibly sell these domains down the road. So you get a good domain name, you build up the content for 5-6 months, get it going, and then you throw it up on auction. And a domain that you bought for just $10 and put one of these sort of auto content generators on it, could be worth, like, I see guys online selling it for $1,500, $3,000, or even like sometimes just a couple $100, right? But if you bought a domain for $8, you sell it for a couple $100. It's a really good return on your money. Not saying there's no guarantees. I don't know if you're going to buy a domain that's going to be worth anything down the road. But as you build content, people are always looking for domains that already have content on them, already have, they might be looking for a specific keyword. Now, if you want to learn about flipping domains, like I said, the video up here, PRO, you really want to go check out that video, check out that software tool. It's a really cool tool to help you do that. Now, that's just a side hustle, passive income that basically anybody can do and make great money doing. So this has been the ReddBuilder WordPress plugin review, demo, walkthrough, OTOs. We've done it all for you guys. And definitely, if you want to pick it up, which I highly recommend picking it up, grab it through the link below. You'll see my bonus page. Click buy, and then the bonuses will be delivered right when you get the software. You will see the link for the bonus. And that's about it, guys. Make sure you hit subscribe and for my next video, and make sure you hit the bell that you will get notified when I put up my next video. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.